Welcome back. We are beginning Unit 8 this week. You should have already taken Unit 8 progress check. So I'm going to go back to our original folder here to show you where we're at. And so we're in our Schoology page. And we are going to go into the pink folder. That means Just Words Unit 8. I'm going to have you print off or get ready for our next activity. So the thing I want you to print off would be under assessments, and it's under progress check. So Unit 8, 8-10 high frequency word pretest. So in day 1, Unit 8 lesson today, we're going to begin with a high frequency word pretest. Okay, so I'll need you to print off this document right here. It's Unit 8 through 10 high frequency word pretest PDF. If you don't have access to a printer, you can get out a piece of paper and number it 1 through 24. Okay, but we're going to start off with this right now. So I'm going to pause the video, print this out, or get a piece of paper, number it 1 through 24 with a pen or a pencil. All right, folks, so you should have already printed out this piece of paper. It looks like this. I'm going to open it up as it downloads here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to say the high frequency word. So if you print it off the paper, it looks like this. You're going to go to the bottom of it, the bottom of that paper, units 8 through 10 check. And you're going to take a very quick high frequency word pretest. Now, if you're using a lined piece of paper, that's totally fine too. And then I'm going to have you take a picture of it when we're done and send it to me. All right, so here we go. We're going to start with number 1. I'm going to say the word, and then I'll say it in a sentence, and I'll say the word again. So you're going to write it down. The first high frequency word is number 1. Here we go. No. I know many things. No. Write down no for number 1. 2. Now. I now have the flu. Now. 3. New. I have a new puppy. New. 5. Any. Pick any of the tiny donuts. Any. And remember, at any time, if I'm going too fast, you can stop and restart the video or go back, which ones you want to be repeated. Now we're on number 6. Many. Many kids are grumpy. Many. Number 7. Only. Jenny is an only child. Only. Number 8. Pretty. Mom put pretty tulips in the vase. Pretty. Number 9. Write down large. Mark had a large project to do. Large. 10. Year. There are 12 months in a year. Year. 11. Very. Bert made a very wide turn. Very. 12. Every. Every car has a gas tank. Every. 13. Learn. Mark has to learn the script. Learn. 14. 4. There are 4 girls in line. 4. 15. Hour. The bus came every hour. Hour. 16. Hour. Our entire class is starving. Hour. So there are 2 different hours here. 15 was the bus came every hour. And then 16 was our entire class is starving. 17. Other. Gregory likes the other game. Other. 18. Another. I will formulate another plan. Another. 19. Earth. The earth orbits the sun. Earth. 20. Answer. Martin gave the best answer. Answer. 21. Mother. My mother is persistent. Mother. 22. Father. My father survived the storm. Father. 23. Work. Carl had to work on his paper. Work. 24. Water. Do not drink the dirty water. Water. Okay, so that's it for that pre-test. Now we're going to move on to the next activity. So you can put that to the side and make sure you have a different piece of paper out that's clean and that you don't have to turn into me, but a different piece of paper. Okay, so I'm going to have you write down some stuff. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go into this Wilson folder. And I'm going to go to our interactive board today. I'll go back to the home page. Sorry, my computer is so slow today. I think because I'm taping a video at the same time, so it gets a little bit slower. All right, so what we're going to do today, I'm going to teach open syllable. Open syllable. And then I'm going to teach you how to mark up open syllables, okay? Okay, so we're going to go into our just words, and now we're in Unit 8. We're doing day 1, and we're going to build some words. Make it bigger for you folks. Okay, so looking at the screen right here, we're going to teach open syllable today. So I'm going to spell the first word. I'm going to spell the first word got. G-O-T. Got. What syllable type is most common in English words? Which one is the most common? Got. Which one is most common? It's closed syllable. So this is not a closed syllable, but it is a what kind of syllable? Sorry. This is a closed syllable. And so we're going to talk about an open syllable today. So this is closed. So now we're going to talk about open. Okay. So we talked about how closed syllables are the most common, and we just learned that in units 1 through 7. We talked about closed syllables. Now we're going to talk about open syllables. So in order to make this open, I'm going to remove the consonant here. And now the word is go. Go. Okay, I moved the T, and without the T, the syllable is no longer closed. It's open. Okay, the vowel will say its name because there's nothing closing it in to make it short. So again, it was closed when I had a consonant after the vowel, got, and the vowel was short. Now we're going to talk about open. The consonant's not there, and now the vowel's going to say its name. Okay, so this will be a closed, not closed, an open syllable because the vowel is long. An open syllable has only one vowel, and it ends with a vowel, and the vowel sound is long. Okay? Alrighty, so go is an example of open syllable. We're going to do another word. I want you to spell the word on your desk or on your paper. Met. Met. Write down the word met. All right. Let's see if you got it right. M-E-T. What kind of syllable is this? It's closed. We know it's closed because the E is short and there's a consonant after that. What happens if I take away the T? What is the word now? Me. Is it still closed? No. The consonant was taken away, so the vowel says its name, which makes it a long vowel. And now it's an open syllable. We would mark this up by scooping it and putting not a C, but an O underneath to represent open. Okay, let's do one more word here. Now I'm going to have build the word, or I want you to write down the word. Let's see. I want you to write the word fluke. Fluke. Write the word fluke on your piece of paper right now. All right, let's check and see if you got it right. Fluke. We have a nice blend here, FL. What do we hear? What vowel? U, fluke. And we have a K, but in order to make that U say its name, we have to add an E at the end, right? Vowel, consonant, E. That's the type of syllable here. Vowel, consonant, E. The E is silent and makes the U say its name. What if I were to add or take away these two letters and add this one? What is this word now? Flub. Flub, right? The U doesn't say its name anymore. It's short, which means it's a closed syllable. All right, what if I take away the B now? What is the word now? Flew. Flew. What type of syllable is it now? It's not closed, it's open syllable. We know this because the U says its name. Open syllable. Okay, we would scoop this syllable and then we would put an O underneath it to mark it up. The other thing that we do, I didn't say that before, you put a nice line over the U because it's showing that it's a long vowel. Okay? All right, let's move on. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about Y sounds. Okay, so if I were to take the U away and add Y to this word, it becomes fly. Fly. Be sure to, I'm using the peach color or red pink color sound. This is a vowel sound. Okay, Y is a vowel. Okay, Y can be a vowel in an open syllable and say the I sound in one syllable, and it's an open syllable word. Okay, so we have fly. What are some other words that end with Y? Why don't you write down your examples? What are the other words that end with Y? Write them down. Write 3 examples down. All right, let's see if we can come up with some more examples. How about, did anybody write SHY? What's SHY? Shy. How about TRY? Try, right? Did anybody write down this one? CRY? Cry. Oops, I didn't use the peach one for that one. Well, they say peach. It looks like more pink to me. So all of these Y's that end here say the I sound. Say the one I sound, right? Okay, so here we go. And they're all open syllables because it said the vowel sound, right? The I. Okay, so we talked about how we identify closed syllables and open syllables. When they're open, to mark them up, you're going to scoop the word and then put an O underneath to represent open. And we talked about how sometimes the Y at the end of the word is a vowel and it says the I, long I sound. Okay? In order to mark up these, you would scoop and put an O underneath, and then you would put a line above the Y and an I above it. We'll practice more with these on later days. All right, that's all we have for today, folks. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.